this is Hiirakkotie, one staircase beaker, and Hakunila, Vantaa, Vantaa, Helsinki has host ratio, and Finland. This one has 7 floors, capacity is 4 persons or 25 grams, and it has MB6 fixtures outside. And the staircase A is the most amazing one here, it has pop-out fixtures. But inside we have MP8 fixtures. It's also built in late 1971, finished in 1971. And it's starting 50 years old this year, 2021. And you have to watch all 4 staircases because they're really amazing. Staircase D even because it has 6 floors and it's still fast. And the serial number is 25084 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. Stop and alarm buttons are still MP6 type inside. Yes, and also MP6 fixtures are rare in Hakunila.
Yeah.
I think this is probably the only building with them and pop-outs.
Yeah. Tippaakin vai mä eteenpäin pois.
So it is a very unique building here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch all the staircases from A to D here.